And then we've got, I think I got the 2 o'clock ticket.
Sounds like you used to think that was Bluetooth. Sorry, sir. Okay?
For all the toys and the price range you get here.
I got random fandom mystery boxes now, $30. Up to 20 items each box. No item is the same.
You could spend all 4 days here.
Where are you at right now? It was like a half robotic.
Jake just asked
That's what it is. I need to get some packs.
You know how some over there? Yeah. Go ask for Mo. Tell him I sent you over there. Sorry, Mo, your brother's not over there.
the sign of 800.
Against the wall.
I thought I knew what they were going to be. They might be here, especially at the or something. Somebody dropped something.
All right, somebody just was right there.
Okay.
Huh?